Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to do the easiest pink eyeshadow look, which is also flattering for hooded eyes. So first, you want to bake under your eyes if you've already done your skin work, and then pat down the concealer. For eyeshadow base, I am using the P. Louise paint in the shade River. They created this in collaboration with Mitchell. You can use any eyeshadow base actually, so long as it is oil free and it is tacky enough to grab onto your eyeshadow. Now I'm just going to blend it in using a big fluffy blending brush before I go in with the pink eyeshadow. And I don't know if you've noticed, but this is one of my favorite brushes ever because it does a lot of things. It helps me to pack on matte shades. It also helps me to blend them out. And as you can see, I made sure to go well above my actual crease so that I can create an illusion of having a bigger eyelid. And you can see that I use the same brush to apply the eyeshadow, and then I use the same brush to blend as well. Now I'm using a big fluffy blending brush to just diffuse the lines because I don't want anything harsh, and that's just it. Just those two pink eyeshadow shades I used is enough. You can even use one shade if you are very good at blending. And then I'm using this brush to apply some highlighter in my inner eye corner to give it a little pop. Then I'm also doing my lower lash line because whatever I do to the top, I always like to do to the bottom. For winged liner on hooded eyes, you do not want to look down. Open your eyes and look straight like I was showing you. And now I'm going to wing it outward as opposed to upward toward the tail of my eyebrows. Hooded eyes are different. They're not like regular eyes that you can just do a winged liner in one swoop. You have to go step by step, making sure to go below the hood. There are different methods you can do to do a flattering eyeliner on yourself, but this one is just one of them. Make sure your liner is as close to your lash line as possible. Make sure that the tail is also going outward as opposed to upward so that your hood doesn't fold inside the wing. And when I open my eyes, I think that it's just going to look like a little kitten wing that is decent enough to wear. And I'm going to do some artwork on the liner, but this is how it looks. I also use the same liner for my waterline, and this is the final look. For the artwork, I used some neon pigments from Supro Cosmetics, and the eyeliner is inspired by Beats by Deb. If you like this look, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to come back and check out my other videos, and remember to subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.